Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique. And today we're going to see how to change the email ID or email address on your Snapchat on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the email address on your Snapchat or email ID? Just click on the profile first on the top. Now you just need to click on the setting option on the top. Click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you can find name, username, birthday and mobile number, email ID. You just need to click on the email ID. Click on this. And now you have this email ID here. You just need to clear the email ID first. Then just type the email ID you just need to change and click on the save option. So you can see the note down on the top. This make easier for you to recover your account for your friend and find each snapshot like that. So click on the save option and this email ID is already been verified by another account. Please enter the another email ID. If you just have another email ID, you can just enter it. So after clicking on the save option, for security, please enter your password. You just enter the password. Now your email ID will be changed. This is how you just change your mail ID on your Snapchat. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.